Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can use a new feature available in Photoshop 2021, which is the sky replacement feature. So what you want to do is replace this sky with a different sky, which is a feature built into Photoshop. So if we head over to Edit and select Sky Replacement, and then it will bring up this dialog box, and if we select the arrow, it will just take a few seconds to process it, and then it will bring up a selection of different sky backgrounds that we can choose from to select to use in our projects. If you ensure that the preview selected also, it will allow us to preview the changes. So let's have a look at the ones that we can choose from. So we've got blue skies, if you want to change it to a different sort of blue sky. We have spectacular sky backgrounds, so we'll choose one of those, so this one for example, and then once you select it, it takes a few seconds to process it, and then you can see that it's replaced the sky background. So if we select OK, Photoshop then creates those new layers in a separate folder so we can turn them on and off. So this is the original, and then this is a new background. So you can see that it's considerably different and it's a lot more dramatic. It's a nice new addition for Photoshop when you want to edit your sky backgrounds, and you can also add custom skies if you wanted to add a specific sky background of your own. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for Creative Nerds for quick tips on how to use Photoshop.